Hi. I am back from work. It's about 4 o'clock. I don't know what's going on with the camera. I'm back from work. It's about 4 o'clock and I am exhausted. I am gonna eat my dinner. I actually got so busy at work I didn't get to eat lunch. So my lunch is my dinner. Yay. And then tomorrow, I was gonna make soup tonight, but I'm just exhausted and everyone and their mother is out today. And just being in a crowded store where the line is huge and the cars are all backed up, I don't wanna go out. I don't wanna go out and get something to eat or anything like that. I just wanted to stay home tonight. I get a lot of anxiety about crowds. And it's just not my thing. So I'm just gonna relax here, kind of calm myself down. It was super busy. I had a lot of clients, a lot of makeup applications. It's a lot. So I'm ready to just relax at home. Alice is here with my dinner, and it is definitely a snow day, so we are, ow, Alice! I keep stepping on this and it hurts. It's definitely a snow day, so we were expected to get like 5 to 7 inches, which is super fun because I don't have to go to work today. I thought that I would just stay in, decorate the tree, make some soup, and I'm actually about to take a shower, but I wanted to show this because I know whoever gave me this watches my videos, so I thought that I would show this. This is a scarf that I got from one of my friends. They went to Scotland a couple years ago. They go like every year, but they brought me back a scarf and they're always asking if I'm using it, so definitely I brought it out for today, and it's kind of all wet now, but I'm gonna hang it because I really like that scarf. It's a very cute little scarf. I know that they got me another one and then their dog ate it, so, but no, I definitely use it, and it was much needed today because it's quite cold and snowing. Alice had a ton of fun outside. Didn't you, baby? Yeah. I'm gonna go take a shower and I'll be right back. I am currently just finishing up a video with Bobby, who is Bobby Parrish with Filet City. He does a lot of nutrition videos, so I'm just watching his vitamin video, having my cup of tea. And look at Allie girl. She's so cute. All right. Okay, you guys, I'm about to start making my lunch slash soup just to have on hand for today. It is still snowing outside. It is actually like a couple of inches now, and it's still coming down quite hard, and it's about 1 o'clock right now. So I'm just staying home today. It's really crazy outside, and I actually shoveled the driveway that I have, and it's already snowed over again. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash these. These are not organic. Ideally, I would like organic because these are part of the Dirty Dozen, which is the most pesticides. Even after peeling and dicing and washing, it still has a ton of pesticides in it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and peel, wash, and cube these, and then get started on the onion and the carrots. this is the finished product. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop myself a bowl, and this is lunch.